Welcome to ivvi, the revolutionary app that transforms how students capture and interact with lecture content. ivvi combines audio recording, real-time transcription, and mind mapping to create a powerful learning tool. Here's how ivvi works during a lecture. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see the audio recording interface. On the right, watch as ivvi transcribes the lecture in real time. On the left, observe how ivvi automatically generates a mind map from the content. All of this happens simultaneously and automatically as the lecture progresses. Post-lecture navigation. After the lecture, your notes are fully synchronized. Let me show you how seamlessly you can navigate. Play any part of the audio recording by clicking on it. Click on a branch in the mind map to instantly locate that section in the transcript. Or select any part of the transcript to see the corresponding branch highlighted in the mind map. Highlighting and customization. Students can use color-coded highlighting to mark important information. Use yellow for critical points to review, mark blue for concepts to memorize, choose green or any other color for personal categorization. You can highlight during the lecture or while reviewing later. Accessibility and learning styles. ivvi is designed to support various learning needs. For students with dyslexia or ADHD, the visual mind map prevents lots of rereading and information overload. Those with dysgraphia can capture key points without typing using just a click. The combination of audio, visual, and written elements caters to most multimodal learners. Quick review feature. ivvi makes reviewing previous lectures a breeze. Press 1 for a high-level visual summary, 2 for a more detailed overview, and press 3 to see the full content. Click on any branch to explore specific details. Starting a new lecture. Let's start a new lecture. Tap the plus button to open a new map, hit record and grant necessary permissions. The app begins capturing audio, transcribing, and mind mapping automatically. Editing and customization. During or after the lecture, you can easily customize your notes. Edit branch text directly, add new branches or sub-branches, attach notes or hyperlinks to any branch, rearrange branches as needed. In conclusion, ivvi brings together audio recording, transcription, and mind mapping in one seamless package. It's designed to support various learning styles, help identify and organize key information, be accessible across all your devices. With ivvi, students can focus on understanding rather than just note-taking, making it an invaluable tool for learners of all types. I hope you try it.